Take a ride in the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, battery saver, regenerative braking system, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.